Hello guys, Daddy West po muli, and for this time, I'm not excited na kwento sa inyo kung paano nabalik ang aking monetization, no? Na-demonetize ako for reuse content. And unfortunately, hindi ako katulad ng iba na gumawa ng content na ganito. Sa kanila, 1 day, 2 days, 3 days lang na-approve sila, no? Magkaiba kami ng kwento. Kasi ako almost 3 months bago ako na approve ulit. Last March 23, 2022, ayun, naka-receive ako ng email na reuse content nga ako. So, first thing na ginawa ko is, syempre gagawa ka ng appeal. Hindi ako pinasa syempre. Kasi yung mga content ko, hindi originally ako lahat ang may-ari, no? Content ko kasi dati is music. So, ako ang original na gumagawa ng mga spectrum, visualizer, pero yung music ay hindi akin. Although pumayag yung may-ari ng music na gamitin ko ang obra nila, pero sa policy ng YouTube reuse content is nakagawa ko ng violation. Yan, nag-tell ako ng another month, pero siyempre ginawa ko ng big changes doon sa channel ko, no? Binura ko is almost 146 of my music na upload ko. Kasi hindi ko alam doon kung alin yung reuse ko to. O hindi mo siya pwede tignan sa isa lang. Kundi titignan mo siya generally, no? Kung alin talaga yung na-violate mo. Kasi si YouTube gusto niya yung unique ang ating mga creation, no? Bilang creator, kailangan makagawa tayo ng content na sarili natin. Very unique. Last May ay nagpasa uli ako ng appeal. No, guys, kung mapapansin nyo guys, kung nakapanood na kayo ng video appeal na ginagawa ng mga creator na naka-experience na ng reuse content, pare-parehos lang yan. Kasi kailangan niya susundan mo yung pattern, no? Yung kung paano gumawa ng video appeal sa reuse content, no? First 10 seconds na video mo, kailangan ay magpakilala ka na, kilala yung channel mo. Ano ang laman ng mga videos mo, nag-follow mo yan siya sa YouTube policy program. Tapos, ano ang gamit mo sa paggawa ng mga videos, ano ang editor mo. Pag pinakausap mo si YouTube na, eto ako, eto ginagawa, eto yung aking mga gamit, eto ako mag-edit, eto yung editor ko, ipakita mo sa kanya kung paano mo i-edit yung video. Last thing na huwag niyo kalimutan guys, yung watermarks ng inyong channel, channel URL. Kailangan habang naka-watermark yan sa buong video na less than 5 minutes video. Hello YouTube team! I am Daddy West, and for today I am going to share with you my video appeal. Last March 24, 2022, I received an email from your team that my channel was demonetized due to reuse content. Based on my videos in my channel, I don't have any copyright claim that can cause reuse content. That is why I submitted an appeal. But unfortunately, my appeal did not pass accordingly to your review because of lacking of support. That is why I review my channel, edit my metadata, and deleted all videos that I think violates your policies. And waited for the date for almost a month to reapply for YouTube Partnership Program. On April 23, 2022, I reapplied for YouTube Partnership Program, but unfortunately, I received an email again from your team on May 4, 2022, saying that my application does not meet YouTube Partner Program policies. That is why I make this video to explain to your team. My channel contains many different types of content such as video tutorials, personal blog, unboxing, adventures, and live streaming. My videos cover of with fair use that I believe in legal doctrine that protects our legal rights. And now, I will show you what I use in making videos. So first, I have here my cell phone and also my ring light for enhancement. Yeah. I have here my laptop and my V8 sound card. This is my room, which I spent most of my time. I have here my table. Yeah, this is my space. This is where I spend most of my time editing videos and doing my live streaming here. So this is my editing tools and my apps. I use cell phone to edit my video uploads, and my editor is I'm using KineMaster because KineMaster editor is very convenient to use in editing videos. It also contains more features to improve my videos and editing skills. Now, I will show you how I edit my videos. Kung paano mag-upload ng video dito sa YouTube. Basic tutorial po ito lang. Tapos samahan natin kung paano. Let's start po. So quite sometimes I use voiceover for some of my videos. I use voiceover. I just click here, record, and start. Okay, so this is what I did on my other video. Okay, so this is the sample only. I will make it stop and play the voice over. What I did on my other video. Okay, so this is the sample only. Here, like thumbnail. This is also which I made my thumbnail on my. So thank you so much once again. Ako po si Daddy West. God bless. So that's it, YouTube team. I am hoping that you will consider this video and bring back my monetization and ads. Thank you for your kindness. God bless and bye-bye. So, yun mga loves, no? Ayun yung aking video appeal. So, kahit natagalan man, pero at least ay tinanggap pa rin ako sa YouTube Partnership Program. Okay? Kung nakatulong man sa inyo o nagustuhan nyo ganitong video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell. Maraming salamat. So, that's it for today, guys. See you again sa next video. Ako ang inyong Daddy West. God bless and bye-bye.